Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about the Ethereum price. We're going to be going over price predictions for May, June, and 2021. We're going to be talking about big Ethereum news as well as information about Ethereum that could change the future. I will say, guys, there's a lot to talk about today, so make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video if you guys are Ethereum holders or you want to learn more about other altcoins. There's obviously a lot of coins out there, and we talk about pretty much all of them on the channel. So we're going to talk about Ethereum today. Obviously, you know, a $296.1 billion market cap, a $53.1 billion volume in the last 24 hours, and we have the circulating supply around 116 million ETH. If you guys don't know what Ethereum is a decentralized computing platform that uses ETH, also called Ether, to pay transaction fees. Developers can use Ethereum to run decentralized applications, or dApps, and issue new crypto assets known as Ethereum tokens. So a lot of people are using Ethereum. Obviously, we've talked about the gas fees before. You know, they're actually not too bad right now. They've been on and off, obviously being insane to, you know, not too crazy. You know, it really just depends on what time of the day you're looking at it, using Ethereum as your way of converting or transferring. I will say, guys, really, you know, Ethereum's had a great week. If we take a look at the week in Ethereum news-wise, there's been a great week here. Obviously, the price didn't reflect that, but no cryptocurrency really had a great price. Obviously, manipulation in the market definitely occurred with China FUD and everything else. We're not going to talk too much about that, though. We're going to really try to stick to the big news and information about Ethereum, as well as, like I said, price predictions for May, June, and 2021. If you guys want to take advantage of, we do have a giveaway going on, actually. I'm going to take you guys over to that giveaway real quick. Let me go to Twitter real quick. As it looks like we pulled up a new page on accident. Let's go to Twitter. I didn't have it up. I usually have it up and ready for you guys, but I'm not going to edit this out for you guys. So here we go. So if we go to the profile, if you guys want to jump into the description of this video and take advantage of this giveaway, all you have to do is retweet this tweet and follow me on Twitter. Only 707 people have entered so far, so you have a great chance. I didn't, you know, hashtag it or anything, so I was trying to give everybody who actually watches my videos a good chance at getting something to really help them out. I really do appreciate all your support as we get closer and closer to 100,000 subscribers. I do want to, you know, say thank you in return. Obviously, during a time of crypto market crashing, what a better time to really give out some link. So if link is valued below $40 by the end of May, I will give someone who retweets and is following 50 link. So jumping into more about Ethereum, though, I do want to talk about what's all going on. So we have the mainnet execution layer. They talked about the EIPs and standards, proof of stake consensus layer, as well as other layers. It's just a lot to really talk about. And I said these are a little bit more into the nitty-gritty details, so we won't dive too deep into weekinethereumnews.com because they usually go very, very detailed and giving you guys information that you may not want to really listen to because, like I said, they dive very, very deep into the details, and I don't know exactly how deep you want to dive in. So let's jump to our first really news article of today. It's going to be Goldman Sachs believes Ethereum beats Bitcoin. New leaked report reveals. So Goldman Sachs actually believes Ethereum has a high chance of overtaking Bitcoin in the very near future. Cryptocurrencies have crashed over last week with electrifying $1.3 trillion wiped from combined crypto markets prices. We also see, you know, really a lot of people are seeing Ethereum has a very good shot at, you know, taking over the Bitcoin dominance in the long term. So we see outperforming Bitcoin is feasible. Even after the market collapse of the last week, the price of Ethereum has outperformed the price of Bitcoin in the last 12 months, with Ethereum adding a 1,000% to the 300% price of Bitcoin. You can also see it here. So this tweet talks about either beats Bitcoin as a store of value. The Ethereum ecosystem provides developers a way to create new apps. Most of DeFi apps are being built on Ethereum. The greater number of transactions in Ether versus Bitcoin reflects this dominance. So we are starting to see, you know, that dominance really start to, you know, show up and take place. And like I said, you know, outperforming Bitcoin is feasible. We have seen it in the past. You know, this article goes greatly over in detail on that. If you want to go to bitcoinist.com, they talk more about that. Let's jump into the next one. So Ethereum closes in on long-sought fix to cut energy use over 99%. So it's a Bloomberg article, so I won't dive deep into it because you have to, I think you have to pay to actually view these kind of news articles. So we're just going to use the Reddit TLDR. Switching to proof of stake has become more urgent for us because of how crypto and Ethereum have grown over the last year. Vitalik Buterin said in an interview. Obviously, if you guys don't know, Vitalik is the creator or founder. He's hoping the change is made by the end of the year, while others say it will be in place by the first half of 2022. That's about a year earlier than it was expected in December. Shift could boost Ether as Bitcoin's environmental wrap worsens. ETH's 45,000 gigawatt usage may fall to of 1/10,000th of that. So crazy to see ETH 2.0, and these guys are saying it's bullish for ETH 2.0, and we'll see what happens. I think a lot of people are very bullish on ETH 2.0. I think personally that the price is definitely going to rocket up once ETH 2.0 comes, because so many people are waiting on it. A lot of people don't believe it's coming anytime soon, and exactly why they're staying away from ETH at the moment. A lot of people jumping into more altcoins, taking advantage of better chances at higher return rates on altcoins. But Ethereum is definitely going to be a coin to watch, and we're going to continue to give you guys updates and information on it. One more article talks about Elon Musk says Ethereum founder fears the Doge. So Vitalik Buterin says subtle technical factors could prevent Dogecoin from becoming mainstream currency, and Elon Musk is basically saying, you just fear the Doge, and unfortunately, that's not even close to what is going on here. But Elon Musk is kind of using his platform for the wrong uses, it seems like occasionally, and it's unfortunate. But a lot of people just need to understand that Elon's going to do what he wants to do, and he's just having fun. So Elon Musk has said the founder of Ethereum, the world's second most valuable cryptocurrency, is fearful of its joke rival Dogecoin. So the SpaceX Tesla CEO is responding to a blog post on Sunday written by Vitalik Buterin, who founded the Ethereum in 2015. In the post, Mr. Buterin countered Mr. Musk's previous claims that Dogecoin could be scaled to a level that it could be really function as a mainstream form of currency. As it turns out, there are more important and quite subtle technical factors that limit blockchain scaling, Mr. Buterin wrote. In many cases, there are solutions, but even with the solutions, there are limits. And Mr. Musk obviously responded with fears the Doge, with a meme of the Shiba Inu dog mocked up in the style of the poster 1975 classic movie, I believe, Jaws. So it's kind of interesting that this is actually taking place. They continue to have tweets back and forth with some big people. We've talked about Elon Musk in the past, obviously Mark Cuban, as well as so many others out there that are starting to jump into the cryptoverse and starting to actually tweet about it as well. So Elon Musk is definitely not new to the crypto space. Jumping into Ethereum, though, we're going to talk a little bit about where we could see it in the near future. We talked a lot about some of the news and information jumping around right now. It really does depend, like I said, on previous price prediction videos. It does depend if we continue on this, bull market, if we're just accumulating because of the manipulation and we're going to have a part 2 coming, or if we are unfortunately entering a bear market. And nobody knows exactly, but a lot of people are predicting that we are going to have a part 2 for at least a couple more months at the end of this manipulation. So if that is the case, I do think Ethereum will reach 5 to 6K by the end of the bull run at the very least. A lot of people are hoping for about 10K, and I will say, guys, I don't see 10K happening very, very quickly. It could happen at the end of this bull run. I just don't see it happening in the next couple months. So I'm going to start off, I guess, with May. So that by the end of May, I do suggest Ethereum will be back to about a 2,800, 2,900 price point. I don't think we'll reach that 3,000 quite yet. I do think there's going to be some kind of consolidation really still taking place. A lot of people still fear of buying this dip because they think there's more to come. There's more dips to really take place, which definitely could be accurate. So we'll see what really takes place, but $2,800 should be our price target by the end of May. I want to say, guys, as well, I am not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before investing, as this is not financial advice, but really jumping into the end of June, I think Ethereum could continue to do very, very well. I think we could get back to maybe a $4,000 Ethereum. I know we were very, very close to $5,000 at one point, about $4,331. But $4,000 by the end of June is our price target. By the end of 2021, I do think, like I said, about a $6,000 to $8,000 Ethereum could definitely be possible. A lot of us are hoping for that by the end of the bull run for sure. I think $6,000 to $8,000 is definitely something we could see happening. So we'll continue to keep you guys up to date on Ethereum as well as all the other altcoins in the crypto space, in the cryptoverse. So make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video before heading on to the next one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks again.